Abot. Kanya yung naka-pink na yan. Month of September is also a very important month for the cats. That's why I'm going home. This is Jessie Cats. Welcome to my channel. And I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Well guys, samahan nyo kung umuwi ngayon. Yes, it's a month of September. As I've said, it's a month of celebration sa amin na yan. Diba? Ang ganda ng Emirates Aircraft. O, diba? Anyways, guys, as I've said, September nga ngayon. Well, a lot of may vlog, mga pangyayari. Well, while I'm boarding, kwento na lang natin. Meron akong nakitang nagla-live. And then when I saw one of the vlogger here in Dubai, she is working for an airline. O, diba? Going for retirement na. So, actually, ayun na nga, napasama pa nga akong konti dun sa live niya. Well, it's just like, like I thought, like a lot of people na I know, like, they're being going through retirement then. Some of them happy, some of them like, so, they've been waiting for it. But at the end of the day, as for me, well, I wish them all the best and good luck on their new endeavor. Pero like, reality check, everybody's naman gonna go through it. Kaya, as much as possible tayo mga OFW, we should think of our retirement also. So, yan. So, my next project will be next year. O, diba? I'm praying and hoping na, yun na nga, mapaghandaan ko na rin yun. O, diba? Yun lang. Anyway, let's try this. Every door that closes and a window opens. Something like that. Ayan, palanding na nga pala tayo, guys. Ayan, view from my window. But first, I want to show you kung ano yung meal ko. Kinain ko dito sa aircraft. O, ayan. O, diba? Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ayan po ang meal on board na sineserve for the month of September. Papuntang Pinas. Of course, nag-wine-wine ang lola mo. Red wine. Yan po ang meal on board namin, 'di ba? Ang sarap. You have choices, pero kayo na ang bahala kung ano ang choice na pipiliin nyo, 'di ba? Pero it is nice, yummy ang mga aircraft food, especially alam niyo kung anong gusto ko, the cheese, the butter, ayan, 'di ba? Yan, saka you can taste na rin yung mga sweets nila, masasarap din. Ayun lang guys, pinakita ko lang. Okay, 'di ba? You will have actually 2 meals on board. O, ayan. O, diba? Yummy! Of course, may mandatory selfie on board. O, diba? Filingera. Yes, guys. It's Hermes' birthday. This little girl's birthday. Ayan. So, pagdating ni Mr. Cats, syempre, sinabi niya na wala naman daw siyang damit for her birthday. So, we went to go shopping. Si Mr. Cats lang naman ang hinihintay talaga namin eh. Haha! Ayan. So, sabi niya, wala daw siyang new attire for her
Daddy,
birthday.
dito ka oh.
So, sabi naman ng kanyang daddy, sige. Diba? Kaya ayan kami guys, namimili kami. Ito yung one of her favorite shops sa Pinas. Kasi, kasya sa kanya yung mga damit dyan. Diba? Ayan, mga yan. Outfit ang para sa kanyang birthday. And on top of that, nakita rin namin yung isa sa mga friend niya. So, sumama while she is waiting for her mom yata to finish grocery. So, yun lang guys. So, ayan. Na-hold up na naman si Mr. Cats ng kanyang mga munchkin. After nun guys, nag-check kami ng mga places na pwede saan i-celebrate yung birthday ni Memes. Kasi nga, we don't know. So, she decided na gusto daw niya dito. Yes, baka naman. Italianis po yan. So, ayan, nag-sample kami. We asked the store manager kung there is a space for tomorrow. Yun na nga, non-bookable nga yun. Pero, in fairness naman, pinagbigyan kami. Shout out! Thank you so much! Ayan, masama nga ang panahon nung nandun kami nung September. Medyo may bagyo, non-stop rain. O, ayan ang itsura ng langit. Look at that, a skyscraper, 'di ba? Ayan. And anyways, everybody is safe naman. Kaya, yung lahat ng mga kakilala namin. Ayan, pauwi na nga pala kami. That's our day! Later!
And thank you guys for watching. Mwah!
And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later.
It's so right.